diamond in the middle. Yeah. But I kind of think that way in the sense that I think there were these echoes that we were both kind of working with. So this is hers here, this is mine. Here, we've got the plexiglass canvas, that hemp mycelium mix, another piece of canvas. You can be quite rough, but I like having canvas on panel. And then yeah, up here, these three are all acre colors.
We'll trade off in a second.
Reishi is mailed to me. It's growing on rye grains, and that gets mixed in after. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, great. So yeah, you can see what it looks like before it's myceliated.
And are these scraps of bigger works, or you made
Yeah,
these?
because of the increased risk of contamination. If
Okay.
yeah.